How does groundwater interact with stream flow? Let's draw a schematic cross-section to explore this in a little bit of detail. So this is a hill slope to channel and back again cross-section. And in this cross-section, we're on a hill slope. This is a vertical cross-section. We've gone down into the channel, and now we're going back up again. So this here is the channel. And let's consider, for example, the scenario in which the groundwater table slopes towards and down to the channel. In this scenario, because water flows from high head to low head, the water is going to be flowing towards the channel here and contributing water to the channel. So there's a net transfer of water from the hill slope to the stream. When this situation occurs, it's known as a gaining stream. The stream is gaining water. And the water's flowing from groundwater to the stream. Let's contrast this with the exact same hill slope profile, but maybe now you've entered into some kind of dry period. And during this dry period locally, that it hasn't rained in a while, you observe that the groundwater table is sloping away from the channel. When this occurs, water will be flowing from the stream down a head gradient away from the channel in both directions. So the water is flowing from the stream to the groundwater under the hill slope or the river bank, depending on what scale this is at. And this is known as a losing stream. There's a net loss of stream water as you're going down. Now these were vertical cross sections. Let's say that I wanted to look down on this from above. So I wanted to see now in map view what was going on. And let's say that I had drilled a bunch and put in so many groundwater monitoring wells that I could actually map contours of groundwater elevation. So this, let's say this was 80 meters, for example. This is the height of the groundwater. So this is the groundwater elevation contour below ground. It's not the surface of the ground, it's the height above sea level of the groundwater table. And let's say this one was 70. And this one was 60. In this scenario, water is flowing from high head to low head. It's flowing this direction. So this here is the stream channel. And we see that the groundwater is flowing inward towards the stream channel in this example of the gaining stream. In contrast, if we were to make a map view look here, if this were 80, 70, 60 meters, again, groundwater elevation contours, and our stream is, working its way down here. In this case, we can see that there's a net flow of water away from the channel. If we were to draw in these little flow arrows down the path of steepest descent from a high elevation contour to a low elevation contour, there's a flow outwards away from the channel, consistent with this stream being a losing stream.